Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. On this video I am going to show you what I have in my Bible caddy. My Bible caddy is things that I study over during the week. My Bible, journals, notes, faith stickers, journal entries, dreams, anything that I may have that I need to go over or need to put inside of this Bible caddy and just have it able to transport back and forth from downstairs to my office, from my office maybe to church, just different things that I have in there that I use on a daily basis. Dreams. This is a book that'll help you to get an understanding of your dream. Of course, you have to take everything back to God, but this helps me get the symbolisms down from this book. I also have my Bible. I have a folder in there of things that I may hear from the Lord that I write down. I also have another tablet. I do a lot of writing. Also, I have this Becoming Mom Strong and Jesus is All I Need daily devotionals that I go through, calendar Grow in Grace that I put different things inside of. Also a daily study Bible that I study with, and it definitely explains things that you don't pick up right away from the Bible. So I'm just trying to organize it the way that I need to organize it. It does come with like 2 attachments in there to separate right here different sections of the Bible caddy, and I'm just trying to situate it how I would want it before I started toting it and carrying it in different areas of my home or even outside of my home. Feather like pen that they used to use back in the old days, and you see my old journal, it's like a prayer journal, and those are the cartridges that you're able to change in the pen. I will be trying to link all of these from my Amazon storefront if you guys are interested in finding these type of things. And also the thin tip markers, I do write with those. My highlighters, pencils, pens, I have all of those in like a little pencil pouch. And it's like one of my pencil pouches are from the girls. Like if they stop using it, I'll go and get it and use it, so I won't have to go and get a new one. But it comes in handy, you guys. I've started reading like different Christian books, and this is one of my favorite journals, Be Still and Know That I Am God, where I write down different prayers. I have so many notebooks that I write down my prayers in. This is another dream symbol book that basically gives you meanings of symbolisms that come in your dreams. But I have been loving this Bible Caddy. I can't remember the lady's name that I got the idea from, but she's another Christian channel as well, where she shares different things in her Bible Caddy. But Colleen is one of the ones that I listen to on Audible. I can't think of, I'm looking it up right now to give you her full name. Colleen Cobble. I just got through with one of her books. Let's see. If I can find it. Let's see. Where Shadows Meet. And I finished that book, and at first it didn't start off too well, but I was like, okay, I spent 1 credit on it. Let me go ahead and see what this book is about. So with all that being said, guys, I loved her book, and I am looking forward to reading another one. She is a Christian author, but you still get like the romance, you get the thrill, you get the suspense, you get the word, and all of those things in one book. And I just loved listening to this book. So if you are a Christian and you know we have to watch what we put in our eye gates and put in our ear gates, definitely check out Colleen Cobble. But these are some of the things that I carry in my book. And like, I have another devotional that I am going over, and it gives you scriptures, and then it goes into discussion, so you can have a discussion from the book. I also have a 52 Hebrew word book. It gives you 52 words from the Hebrew language that are more commonly used this day and time. And then I have a numbers book that I'm reading, where God's language is numbers and colors, and how he deposits things into your spirit while you're sleeping, because I am a dreamer of dreams. So these are some things that I have in my Bible Caddy. I really hope this helped you in case you have one but needed some ideas, or if you want to start one. As always, be blessed, love yourself, because you are worth it. And we are Mama Makes It Happen, a Proverbs 31 mama. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.